Hi teachers, let me just show you how you can use the item analysis and master sheet. All right, so we start off on the home page, that's the first page. Just go ahead and put in your name. Drop down will show you what standard you should select. The year should be 2026 and your term drop down would tell you term 1, 2, or 3. All right, so once you have that, you can then go to your master sheet. All right, so your master sheet is down below here. Just click on the master sheet. Inside of the master sheet, list all the students' names in your class. So you want to list all these students' names. Once you list the students' names, you can go back to home and go to your item analysis sheet. So standard 2, I would click on mathematics standard 2. All right, double click on it and it will take you to the sheet that you need. Your name should already be in the sheet. And the students' names should be already here, okay? You then do the item analysis based on how we'd have normally done it, ICOP, and it would generate down below here. Now, if you didn't do mental maths, or you don't have to do an item analysis on the mental maths, just start here where it just starts with the normal math test. So there's nothing here to fill out based on if you're doing an item analysis, if you're not doing an item analysis for mental maths. All right, so once you finish the mental math, you can go back to home. There are a couple ways to do it. Up on top, there is the home button. Double click on it and it will take you back to home. You can go to the English language now, standard 2. Double click. It will take you to the English language sheet and do the same with this item analysis. All right. Now, if the words on top here do not match your actual components, that's fine. Just follow the item analysis, please. Once you're finished with that, you go now to your master sheet, and here's where you will now fill in all the information necessary for submitting your master sheet. The mathematics components may vary for different classes, so you may have a section 1 and 2, but you may not have a section 3. So you simply need to just fill out what you have, change the scores up here to reflect the total. All right. You will not be allowed to, don't interfere with this column since it's not, it will generate on its own. Same thing with the English language. You want to change any English language components. Here I have phonics. Maybe I don't want phonics, so I'll just remove it. Now, once we remove phonics from here, we don't have a total, so we just set that to 0. That takes us to the filling out the rest of the sheet. Same thing with your other subject areas. You can change these subject areas as need be and the total for those subject areas. The sheet will generate everything that you need to generate. And lastly, if you want to fill out the report books very easily, you can go to report book guide. In the report book guide, it would look similar to what your report would look like. You just have to select the student's name. So in this case, Mary Shields, and it will generate the marks for Mary Shields. And you can just write it into your report. I hope that helps. Take care. Bye.